This is a multiple choice question, very important. If the number z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 is purely imaginary, then the options are mod z equal to 1, or mod z greater than 1, or mod z strictly less than 1, or mod z greater than 2. What the option it could be, right? So it is given to us that this number is purely imaginary, right? Now as it is given to us that z minus 1 over z plus 1 is purely imaginary, so let's write this number to be as a iota, where a is real number. Fine, alright. Because I need to apply the combinator and dividend rule over here further, so I need my numerator to be positive. So let's take the reciprocal on both the sides. Z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 equal to 1 over a iota. Fine. Okay, now how to apply this rule? For the numerator, we just add the numerator and the denominator, right? So it is z plus 1 plus z minus 1. And for the denominator, we subtract the denominator from the numerator. So this is z plus 1 minus z, and this becomes plus 1. Similarly on the right hand side also, for the numerator, adding 1 plus a iota, and for the denominator, we subtract the a iota from 1, that is 1 minus a iota, right? So 1 is cancelled out with this negative 1, z is cancelled out with this negative z, and we get here 2z divided by 2 equal to 1 plus a iota divided by 1 minus a iota, and this 2 will also go. So we get z equal to 1 plus a iota divided by 1 minus a iota. Let's rationalize the right hand side. So this is 1 plus a iota divided by 1 plus a iota. Just multiply this. We get in the numerator 1 plus a iota whole square, and in the denominator the formula is a minus b into a plus b. That gives us a square minus b square. So the denominator is a square minus the second term, the square of the second term, right? So this is equal to, solving the numerator, it is 1 square plus a square iota square plus 2a iota divided by, this is 1 plus a square. So this becomes 1 minus a square plus 2a iota divided by 1 plus a square, and here also 1 plus a square. I have just separated the real and imaginary part. This is your z. Now I need mod of z. So taking mod on both the sides, we get, okay, if z is equal to x plus iota y, then mod of z is square of the real part plus square of the imaginary part under the root. So for this also, let's take the square of the real part plus square of the imaginary part, that is 4a square divided by 1 plus a square whole square under the root, and this gives us further mod of z is equal to, let's take 1 plus a square whole square as common from the denominator, so this becomes 1 over 1 plus a square under the root 1 minus a square whole square plus 4a square. So this is equal to 1 over 1 plus a square. Solving the numerator, this is 1 square plus a the power 4 minus 2a square plus 4a square. This is 1 over 1 plus a square, and this is then under root of this 4a square minus 2a square is 2a square. So this is 1 plus, can I write a the power 4 as a square whole square, and this is 2a square. This becomes your formula, that is 1 plus a square whole square the square root. So this gives us 1 plus a square divided by 1 plus a square, that is equal to 1. So we get mod of z is equal to 1. That is the first option. Thank you.